Most beginners struggle to make their church flyers look clean and professional, but in this tutorial video I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to design a stunning church flyer in PixelLab. If you follow every step I show you in this tutorial, by the end of this video you'll be able to create flyers that look professional, even if you are just starting out. Guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you how to create this beautiful church flyer design you can see right now on your screen. Even though you're a beginner, a novice, or an amateur, or somewhere in between, you're in the right place. So I want you to sit tight as we design this church flyer together. So guys, I actually used two backgrounds to create this church flyer, and I'm going to be showing you how you can combine two different backgrounds when creating a church flyer design. Probably you have multiple design elements you want to use to create that design. I'm going to show you how to achieve that with your smartphone. Now the first thing we need to do is for us to go to PixelLab. In case you don't have the application, let me show you the application. This is the application, PixelLab. So go to Google Play Store, search for the application. You are going to find it there. Do well to download it. So let's open it. So guys, this is the interface of the application. Now let me import the first background we'll be using. So guys, this is the first background. You can see it's right here on your screen. Now let me quickly import the second one so we can merge the both of them together. Okay, now go to add photo. Let's search for the background. Where is it? So guys, this is the background. I've marked it, so let's add it. Click on add. Beautiful. Hope you can see it. Now stretch it. We just need a part of the background, not everything, just a part of it. Okay, I think this is good. Now go to blend. Change the blend mode to screen. Hope you can see the effect. Beautiful. Okay, now click on this eraser icon. Yes, click on it. Now go to erase. Increase the size of your brush, then reduce the hardness a little. Okay, now I want you to erase the sharp edge. Okay, just the sharp edge. Let's take it away. Hope you can see what I'm doing. So this is the easiest way you can merge two backgrounds together whenever you want to design any church flyer with your smartphone. So click on the good icon. Now I want to stretch it. Yes. Hope you can see what I'm doing. Just place it on top of it. Yeah, this is good. You can reduce the opacity a little, just a little. Okay, now click on your good icon. I think we are done. Then click on this download icon. I've downloaded the background. With this that I've shown you, you can use this method to merge different backgrounds together whenever you want to create any design. So let's continue. So guys, this is my PixelLab. Now click on this icon at the right top corner of your phone. Close the layer. Then click on this icon. Go to image size. Let's change it to 1023. Click on your good icon. Beautiful. The next thing we need to do is for us to import the background we just created. So guys, this is the background. Click on your good icon. So let's stretch the background. Stretch it. Beautiful. Okay. Now click on this icon. Make sure you lock it. The next thing we need to import is the image of the man of God. Now let's quickly import his picture. So this is his picture. Click on your good icon. Okay, so position it at the center. Make sure it's at the center. Okay, so copy it, delete the one behind. So in case you don't know how to blend an image with the background, do well to check my YouTube channel. You find a particular video there that has to do with how to blend an image together with the background. So that video is really going to help you understand how to blend an image with the background. Okay, now let's import the logo of the church. So this is the logo of the church, and let's reduce it. Sorry about that. Okay, so reduce it, take it up, yes, place it there. Okay, now go to relative position, centralize it, then go to relative size. Let's reduce it from there. I know that the background is not looking obvious, don't worry. Now there's a shadow we are going to import. I'm going to tell you why we'll be making use of the shadow as soon as we import it. So guys, this is the shadow. Click on your good icon. Now go to relative size, increase it, click on this icon. Now take it behind the man of God. Yes, hope you can see the effect. Just place it there, take it up a little. Now go to opacity, reduce the opacity a little. Yes, this is good. Then let's adjust this. Let's make sure it's at the center. Okay, now let's import the theme of the meeting, which is Nayot Rama. So I'm going to import it now. So guys, this is the theme of the program. Click on your good icon, hope you can see it. Then go to relative size, let's reduce it from here, so place it here. Good, go to relative position, centralize it. Okay, then take it behind the man of God. Okay, now for the man of God's picture, we are going to reduce it a little, just a little, and take it down. Okay, hope you can see what I'm doing. We are still going to take the picture down a little because there's a write-up we are going to place beneath the theme of the program. So just place his picture here. Okay, go to your A icon, go to text. Now write this: worship and prophecy. So guys, I actually designed this flyer for a client, and then I thought it wise to make a tutorial video on how I created this particular church flyer. So go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font. So guys, the name of the font is Lowstar font. Yes, that's the name of the font. Beautiful. So just place it here. Now go to shadow, enable the shadow, click on the plus icon, reduce the shadow a little. Okay, now go to offset X, increase it. Okay, now offset Y. Sorry about that. Okay, offset Y, increase it. Okay, now take this down a little again. Now for the logo, let's adjust it. Hope you are learning something. Don't tell me you are not learning anything from what I'm doing. Okay, so lock this. Just in case you're a beginner and you are finding it difficult to design a church flyer, I would encourage you to go to my YouTube channel, search for my church flyer playlist. Take your time and watch the videos there. I have explained the principles of church flyer design, and I believe that if you watch that video carefully, you are going to learn the basic principles of church flyer. Knowing the principles will help you understand them, and having understood them, you can now apply them to your designs. So I encourage you to go and watch them. You could see that I used the background that is actually reflecting the theme of the program, which is Nayot Rama, worship and prophecy. That's the sub-theme. So I decided to use this type of background, and the client actually requested for this. So we are going to be importing the venue, the time, and the location of the church. So guys, I've imported the date and the venue of the meeting. So come down and place it here. So copy it, delete this. Don't worry, you are going to gain access to the design resources as long as you watch the video to the end. Trust me, you are going to gain access to it. So finally, we'll be writing the name of the man of God. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. You'll be the one to write the name of the man of God and other details on the flyer. Lastly, we're going to import one last thing. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. I don't really know the name, so just click on your good icon so we can import it. Yes, reduce it, place it here. Okay, you can go to opacity, reduce the opacity. Okay, now copy it, we'll place it somewhere here. So guys, go ahead and write the name of the man of God and other details. Don't forget to join our free graphic design class that will be coming up on the 12th to 14th of March. I look forward to seeing you guys. If you are new here, do well to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. It's Vixen Tech, and I encourage you to watch the next video that will appear on your screen right now. Thank you.